everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload new videos. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite low carb coffee companion Keto Nutty Fudge. For this recipe we need 100 grams of sugar-free peanut butter and 20 grams of erythritol or any other keto-friendly sweetener. Then we need 50 grams of nut mix. Here I have used equal amounts of almonds, pecans and hazelnuts, and then we need 20 grams of dark chocolate without sugar. First we need to melt our peanut butter, so I'm gonna microwave it at 750 watt for 1 minute. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare a container to put my fudge in. Now you can see the peanut butter is already melted. I'm going to mix it using a spoon. Now I'm adding the sweetener and then I'm going to mix it very well. Then I'm adding my nut mixture, pecans, almonds and hazelnuts, and again I'm going to mix it very well. As you can see, all the ingredients are mixed very well now. So I'm gonna transfer this mixture into the container I prepared before. Now I equally distribute the mixture in the container. So now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. It's already 45 minutes gone, so now I'm going to microwave the dark chocolate at 750 watt for 1 minute to melt them. Here I'm adding melted dark chocolate on top of the fudge. Here I'm spreading the dark chocolate on top of the fudge to have a nice and thin layer, and once it is done I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. This is how it looks after 30 minutes in the refrigerator. It's all set and ready to eat. Here you can see as I used aluminium foil to line the container, it was very easy to take it out of the container. I'm gonna cut it into 6 portions, so one portion has only 5 grams of net carbohydrates. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell.